I think that was pretty heavy.
Yeah. I think this one's just my size. So, I need another rock. Will you toss one to me?
Here's one.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Roasting marshmallows.
Oh, yummy. Can I have mine with a s'more?
Uh-huh. I don't know if I have some more. I think I can roast them. I think I need a plastic rock. I think I found plastic rocks. I found plastic rocks. I'm going to sit on this log.
Okay.
Hey, I found a ladybug. I want to get away from it. Was that just a little? Was that just a little?
I think it was just a little bug, little ladybug.
You can roast marshmallows and some Mars with it. You can do it.
Yeah.
There
Oh,
you go.
here. Thank you.